Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Old Bill's Barbecue. Today I want to start off by thanking Dyna Glo. Dyna Glo sent us this amazing heavy duty signature series offset smoker. We're going to put it together for you on our time lapse today. Stay tuned to the end to see that final product. It's going to be great. Well, it took some time, a few dog interruptions as well, but we got it done. Stay tuned for next week when we use this bad boy to smoke up some delicious food.